Hello and welcome to MyLiveBook, an instruction video on how to use MyLiveBook. Firstly, go to MyLiveBook homepage and log in as a new user, or sign up with your Facebook, Google or Microsoft accounts, whichever you find most easy for yourself. I've set up my email and my password and I'm going to log in using that. It will take me straight to my homepage. You will notice on the top right hand side that you can download our app to your mobile device, and we recommend that you do so. To add your new workbook content, click Add Content. You should have an access code. Please enter it here like so. You will then see all the workbooks on your homepage that you have been given access to. You can click to view these workbooks by pressing Read. You can also hit the pin if you'd like to add this workbook to the top of your home page as a favourite. And this is what your workbook looks like inside. When you revisit the workbook, it will come back to the page that you have left on. Please note on the left hand side that you'll find a table of contents so that you can jump to any section. I might want to click on Project Setup because that's where my instructor wants me to go to. It's a really useful way of navigating the workbook. You can annotate your workbooks too. So for example, you might want to highlight some text to remember, and you can colour code this. For example, I might rename the red colouring to exam preparation. So anything that I annotate with a red colouring, I know I need to revisit when I'm looking towards working on my exams. You can also type in comments, and this one can be colour coded red too, for example for my exam preparation. If I want to view my comments and click the colour I want to see, they will appear here on the right hand side. So for example here, only my red comments and highlights will now appear. I might want to click on one of my annotations and that will enable me to jump straight to the correct page in my workbook. I might also want to insert a note directly over the page. I can format my notes and it can also be dragged anywhere across the page so that it really stands out. You should be able to see here that I've used purple text and I've made it bold so that it stands out. Notes are also added to the right hand side on my annotation list. You will notice that your workbook has opened in another window. So if you click back to the original one, you can view your home page again. You can go to My Annotations, and here you will find all of your workbooks listed and all your annotations within each of them. You can then select what you want to view. For example, you might want to view your red comments, notes, colour-coded annotations. And again here, my red ones have been selected, so everything with red is listed here. Or perhaps I want to see my blue comments and narrow down what I want to see here. Maybe blue means it's work information. But if you get stuck, don't worry, we have a chat function at the bottom of the screen, and we have a load of frequently asked questions too. We're having some great feedback from these workbooks and we really hope that you enjoy yours too.